there a town name in Czechoslovakia that you've been told?
What's that?
Is there the name of a town in Czechoslovakia?
There's a lot of towns, but I don't know.
But
Where
did they
come from?
tell you? Yes.
No, I don't know.
Why Phoenix?
They went up their jobs. Took them out when they stood out there.
Okay. What do they do?
One's a project manager for a construction company, and the other one was in the post office. And
Works at the post office?
Yeah. Well, she retired out of it.
Oh, you have a retired daughter?
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, no.
You're giving away your age.
So many years and retired. Like anything else, you can do something else.
She retired early?
55 years old.
Look at the planes are on our side. Oh, you missed it.
Yeah.
What about the one in Neptune?
What's that?
What about the one in New Jersey? What does she do?
She was by me in Neptune.
Yeah, what does she do for a living?
The one that lives here, she works at this church, a school.
Church school?
Yeah, she works at the school. She's a part-time teacher.
Nice. go to the bathroom and after drinking all that stuff. Do you have the same problem?
Not really.
No?
Not too much now.
It started for me maybe 5 years ago.
How old are you?
60. I have to go.
It's kind of normal. Yeah.
Just before COVID started, about 57 years old, I started having all kinds of problems.
You take anything for it?
Now I take.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, look! We're getting an awesome view.
Going down. It's pretty cool.
I actually have videos on YouTube. I'm flying like 500 feet away over the Hudson.
Put his front flaps out here.
Anyway, the flaps are out.
Yeah, okay. Can't hear him back here.
Landing gear is out. Everything is out. There's Verrazano bridges in the distance.
Welcome to Newark. Local time approximately 8:25. We're going to be taxiing for the next few moments, so we ask you to remain in your seat. With your seatbelt fastened until we reach the jetway and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Now, for those passengers making connections tonight here in Newark, there will be a uniformed gate agent in our flight. He or she can assist you with any connecting gate information, ground transportation, or baggage information you may need. You can also check the United mobile app.
I'm also not ashamed.
And on behalf of your Washington, D.C. Dulles area-based flight crews, we'd like to thank you for flying our United Friendly Skies this evening, and we look forward to seeing you again on another flight in the future. I would like to wish you a pleasant stay here in the New Jersey, New York tri-state area, or wherever your travel plans may take you. Have a good evening.
После Толов сразу остановись, там машины стоят, иди в машине, я тебе позвоню, потом подъедешь, какой левел я тебе скажу. Всё? Ну давай.
Huh?
I see it's still taxing.
Yeah. I wonder which terminal we're going to end up in because the air train doesn't stop at one of the terminals. You have to take a shuttle bus. This is that terminal.
I think we're going to be C.
C is good.
That's our home.
C is good, but I think we may be going to like an E. Or an A. I hope it's not A. That's the one that doesn't have the train airdrop. I mean air train stop.
So they have the model there.
gentlemen. We're just waiting for a gate to come open here. We just have a fuel truck that's parked right at the ramp. I do ask your assistance today. We have 5 passengers connected to Philly with a very tight connection. We're asking if you could allow them to deplane early. There it seats 34A, 32F, 32B, 26B, and 15 Echo. Yeah, but it's safe. We really appreciate that.
Tell us their names too. I'll be alright.